Hey everyone, it's Jesse again. Wanted to kind of do a little quick follow-up on my TD with DOS video that was shared last week. As you guys saw, I had an issue with the fill, and it turns out the fill actually did go through. There was just an error with, it sounds like, the market maker and confirmation with TD that the trade went through. Today, I just want to show you another video, if I can, on the open with TD and DOS. Right now, I'm currently long on KXIN. I've been kind of accumulating a position around $8, taking a few partials here and there. So I'm in a pretty good spot, but wanted to kind of show you the open once more and really the hotkeys, because I think this is one of the biggest benefits of using DOS with TD is the hotkeys and not having to calculate share size or risk size. You can equalize risk. Level 2 here, you get a much deeper level 2 than you would with TD. Let's see if I can show it here. Live. So let's take a look. So this is the level 2 you get with TD. This is what you get with DOS. We're going to go ahead and partial. Oops, I've got it set to stop. There you go. So that did go through. So you see, like, it's weird where it went through, but you don't actually see it go through. Sell another portion of my position there. I can set my stop to break even, which at this point is like 808. So again, it's a little laggy. Part of that's my issue because I'm on Wi-Fi. I really need to set up my hard line to my computer here. We'll take another 25% there. All right, I'm really targeting 9. And if I can get to 9, I'm going to be pretty happy. If I go back to the daily, there is room up, but we'll see. Okay, we're past 9. I'm going to take another 25% there. I'm still holding about 50 shares, so this thing might get halted. 950, I'll take another 25% if I can get there. So again, the nice thing here is, like, you can see I can hit sell 25, where I would literally have to manually calculate that. Oops, missed that button there. On TD, which for the open, I don't know how you would do that. You'd have to be almost a genius to kind of get that working. So again, here, like, you look at TD, okay, I have 40. Okay, so I could roughly say that I need to sell 10 shares, but then I'd have to go in here and say, all right, 10, and then click where I want to sell it, which is, not ideal. Sell another 25% there. One of the other cool things too that I love with this, and I'm hoping I get a chance to do it, but I'm waiting for a pullback, is this free roll button. So this free roll button, what it does is it'll try to understand what your open P&L is for the moment. So let's do it right here. So I'm gonna give myself some room just in case this thing flushes. So it'll say, what's my open P&L? And then it'll buy the amount of shares that I need to break even at 881. So because my cost position was 808, I bought an additional, I don't know what it was. I think it was at 39. So I bought another, 16 shares or so. And now if I get down to 881, that's my break even. But it's kind of a cool feature again with TD with DOS, and it's just more of the hotkeys. So, some of you have asked, like, what's the comparison between DOS and TD or Thinkorswim? Level 2 hotkeys, fixed risk. Um, if you have any issues with TD, it's really a TD issue. It's not necessarily a DOS issue. So that's the one thing with that you could potentially run into. Um, so that's more of uh, an issue with your broker, not DOS. So you could go with CMAG, you could go with IB. I've used IB. It's great. Almost instantaneous fills. Here you've seen that I've got some lags, but um, overall it has not really hurt me thus far. I think I mentioned last time, like, this month I think I've had 2 red days. I've hit goal pretty much every other day, and it's pretty much on trades that have been at the open. So uh, again, just wanted to share this with you because I know I had an issue last week. Wanted to show you again that, like, this is normally my normal experience. Um, Feel free to reach out with any questions. I'm going to go ahead and end this video here shortly. Again, you can reach me on email, or you could go ahead and leave a comment on the YouTube, and I'll try to respond as quickly as possible. I know some of you have already reached out, and I'll do my best to answer any questions. I, by no means, am any expert, but I'll try my best to answer the questions that you have. So thanks, guys, for watching, and happy trading.